How's it going, guys? It's me, Tom. I'm back. I know I haven't posted for a while. Last year this time I filmed a video on Pasqua in my kayak fishing for walleye, and I never posted that video, so and I never filmed the intro, so this is it. It was a hot and humid day. There was a huge storm passing by. You'll see that in the video, and for some reason I was just hammering those walleyes like every cast. So without further ado, here's the video. First cast, we got a fish trolling. Not big, not big. Okay, still on, still on. Not big, doesn't feel big. It's a nice eater size. First keeper of the day, first fish of the day. Oh yeah. On the Swimbait. Okay, put it on the stringer. Got another one on. Second cast. Oh nope. Lost it. But they're thick in here. Oh, we got a fish. We got a fish, we got a fish. Yes, oh, it feels nice. Oh, it feels much nicer than the last one. Oh yeah. That feels nice. Ooh. Oh, it came off. That was my bad. I saw it, it's decent. It's like a 18-incher. Oh, we got another one. Look. We got another one. Yes! Right after that. Last one we caught. This one feels a little bit smaller. Okay, come to the other side here. Nice. Two fish. This is a nice one. 15-incher. There. I've only been here for 5 minutes. This area right here is thick. Like every cast I get a bite. Whoa, you see that? Whew. Both sides, I don't know what that was, maybe a pike just jumped out. Crazy. Okay, keep trolling. Oh, there's a fish, there's a fish. Right away. There's a fish. Oh, it came off. It came off. Did it come off? Oh, it came off. Oh, that's a fish. Right away. There we go, that's fish. That's fish. Wow. Best day on the water so far this summer. Oh yeah. This one feels average, honestly, not very big. I'm gonna play it safe, don't want to lose it again. Yeah, smaller guy. Not keeping this smaller guy. Wow, beautiful walleye on that swim bait. Nice. Hooks out, beautiful. See ya. I'm getting some nice footage today. See, you can see in the distance there's a storm rolling in. Maybe that's why they're biting so good. Oh, is that another fish? Yeah, that's another fish. I'm hooked up. Another one. Right there. Right there. Oh, no. Oh. Came off. Okay. Tro. It's only like, you know, seconds after I catch it out, I get a bite. That's how crazy it is. I got another one. Right. Got another fish. Oh. There's one. Yeah, fish on. Good. I lost count of how many fish I caught. How many bites I got. Oh yeah. Another decent walleye. Small. Good fighter. Oh boy. Honestly I lost count. Maybe 5, 6. Too small. Oh. See ya. Oh baby. Oh yeah. What? My bait is too big, but they're biting. I don't want to switch bait. Yeah, another one. Come on. Yeah, fish on. Please stay on. Yeah, we got another one. You know what? If I set the hook, I'll lose this fish. Yes. I can't hook any fish. Oh, right there, another one. They are thick. Oh yeah. Yep, this time it's on. Yep. Oh, it's a fighter. Oh yeah. Small guy, but a fighter. This time's on the Northland Mimic Minnow. 3/8 ounce. Okay. Every cast. It's every cast now. It's crazy. Best day on the water so far. Oh, got another one. Oh, yeah. They're hitting it. There's so many of them. Yeah, this one's on. No. Oh, still on. My arms are getting sore just from catching fish, paddling, casting, you know, but it's fun. I'm surprised I haven't caught a pike yet. All walleye. What are you? Ooh, that storm looks scary, honestly. Yo. You know, I'm just super close to shore. If anything goes wrong, I can paddle back. So I should be safe. Oh, I got a fish. Oh, I don't get a fish. I got a fish again. Off again. Oh, another one. Right beside the boat. Holy smokes. I am a little scared. I I'm a little scared. Oh yeah, there's a fish. Still on? Oh yeah, still on. Got one. Small. Baby. Baby. Just got another one on. Feels a little bit better. But it looks smaller. Very average, honestly. I should go back, right? I should go back. I don't want to take any chances. It's right on top of me. I should go back. Yeah, I should go back. Okay, go back. Whoa! Oh yeah, Tom! Back on shore. Oh, that's fish. That's a fish. Small fish. Fish number 100, just kidding. Probably 30, no 20 maybe. Get back on shore. Get back there. Fish are trying to stop me from getting back to shore. They're just biting. That storm is crazy. I'm just gonna cast from shore. It's crazy, man. That's the eye of the storm, and it's already raining over there. It's crazy. It's beautiful though. Wow, amazing. So now I'm just waiting for this storm to pass, because if you look over there, it's pretty sunny. So after this storm I can get back in the water in my kayak and keep slamming them. So the storm has moved on. I think I'm clear to go out again, eh? Yeah, let's get out there again. On guys, after the storm, they're still here, as you can tell here. Oh, yep, another average walleye. Another average. Oh, come on. Guys, get yourself some VMC jig and Berkley power swimmer. It's magic. You guys have seen enough, right? Get out here. get some walleye. Just want to show you guys the view after the storm. Look at that cloud. Gorgeous. All right, keep fishing. There we go. Please don't come off. Please. I'm begging you. I want you on camera. I want you on YouTube. I know you're not big, but another one. Here we go. There we go. Fish on. Nice. Ooh. Ooh. Saskatchewan gold. See ya. Yes. Yes, please don't come off. Please don't come off. Haven't seen a fish for a while. Oh, please don't come off. Yes. Good to see you back. All right. Another walleye. Oh, it's barely hooked. Oh, with that view, that cloud, right? Beautiful. I'm having so much fun today. Best day ever. See ya. Well guys, this is the end of the video. Comment down below, what do you think, or why do you think the walleye were biting so good during the storm? Before, during the storm, and after the storm, they were just biting like crazy. It was one of the best walleye fishing day I've ever had on Pasqua Lake. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and stay tuned for more. Alright, I'll see you next time. Check out this walleye. That's big. I've never held a walleye this big. That's a big one.